The BestMatch function is only available on eXact standard and advanced instruments. BestMatch helps you determine if you can achieve a closer match to a standard color by adjusting ink on press. Let's say your standard is a green located here in the C-Lab color space, but your sample measures over here. BestMatch will calculate the point where the best possible match can be achieved by adjusting your inks. Let's take a look at how to do this. The BestMatch function is available in the Compare, Search, and Job tools. If BestMatch isn't already enabled, tap the arrow at the bottom of the screen and select Active Functions. A check mark indicates that the function is enabled. Before using BestMatch, you will also need to select the substrate type that you are using. To do this, return to the previous screen and choose Settings. Scroll down to Function Settings and select BestMatch. Options include coated and uncoated. The substrate you select will affect the results, so choose the appropriate item. Once that's done, return to the Compare tool and swipe to the BestMatch window. Begin by selecting the Auto Color button in the lower right corner. If you're measuring a process color, select Auto. If you're measuring a spot color, select Spot. Now, tap the Measure Paper icon and take a measurement of your substrate. Next, tap the Measure Standard icon and measure your color standard. This will be the color you are comparing to, or your best match. Additionally, you can also tap the Standard icon to select a standard from a loaded color library. Finally, measure the sample for comparison. On the left side of the screen, you will see the current results, including the difference between the sample and the standard, as well as the value of the solid ink being measured. Depending on the substrate you selected earlier, you will also see coated or uncoated here. On the right side of the screen is your best match. The first value represents the estimated color difference after the suggested adjustment is made. The next value is the suggested positive or negative density adjustments required to hit the best match. This value is useful for offset printers that need to adjust their ink by thickness. The last value is the positive or negative concentration adjustment value. This value is used by printers printing flexo or gravure.